Good evening, friends. Now I want to show you one of the programs that is good to use in education. It's Kahoot. You just type to Kahoot and click, and it gets you kahoot.com. Click on this here. Come to the main page. It says enter game pin, sign up, it's free, or log in. Now I'm gonna log in because I did this before and I have my account. And here we go. Here's some of my Kahoots, get to know your teacher. I did it twice for getting ready towards this assignment. And then I did before my first was the leader quiz, because we had a school leader session in the school, and I prepared a Kahoot quiz for them. Now it's gonna be a little bit complicated. It's gonna take more than 5 to 10 minutes, but I want to cut it short and I want to introduce the Kahoot first. So what I'll do today is I'm gonna show you how to create a Kahoot quiz. You click create here, and it gives you the menu. You can create a new one, or you can use one of the templates given here. The easiest template to get to know this program is the get to know your teacher. So I click on this. Here the question, what's your name? This is question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. These are given questions. You can modify them as you like. Now let's start with the first question. What is your teacher's name? And this is the time allowed for this question. I think 30 seconds is too much, so I'm going to change it to 5 seconds. That easy. And 1,000 points given. If you like, you can make it 2,000 points, or you can make it 0 points. Let's give it at 1,000 points. And then here are the answers: Mrs. Doe, Mr. Smith, Miss Butterfly, or write your own name. Here I'm going to choose all these, and I'm going to type my name, Mr. Küçük Andre. Okay, so the question is ready. Now I'm going to move to second question. Here again, you may change it to 5 seconds. It's easy. You keep the same points. Your teacher teaches math, science, write your subject, or ELA. Here, I'm going to put my subject as chemistry. All right, so second question is done. You move to third, fourth, fifth. You may change all these questions. You can delete or add questions. It's up to you. Now, once you're done with all the questions here, suppose we have done with all these questions here, you click done here. And then it says test this Kahoot, share with others. Okay, let's test this Kahoot. And then it opens another page. And here we have player versus player one-on-one devices. It's the classic version. Or you can make it team versus team with shared devices, the team mode. Let's use the classic version first. Once you click classic mode, it says ready to join, and then plays the music, which you can easily mute it here at this button. As you see here, it says join at www.kahoot.it or with the Kahoot app. So either you must have a laptop, join with the web address, or if you have a smartphone or tablet, then you use the Kahoot app, and once you have there, just put the game pin here to join the game. Our pin is 89346. Very simple. And once the players, in this case your students, because this is get to know your teacher game, your students join the game, it's gonna show the number of players here, and then after all your students join the game, you can click start and the game starts. So I have just introduced you the Kahoot game, and you know there's a lot more to learn, but I think for the purposes of the assignment, this should be just fine. Thank you very much for being with me, listening. I wish you all the best.